comes my plane.
Just a couple of reminders. You're permitted one carry-on and one small personal item that fits underneath the seat in front of you. Before you join the line, please make sure that baggage extender on those roller bags are zipped up and only have 2 items through the door. Remember, your carry-on will be tagged with a gate valet tag. On your boarding pass, you'll find a group number. Once your group number is called, you can join the line aboard. Until then, please keep clear of the boarding lane until that group number has been called. Our scanners will not allow boarding if your group hasn't been called.
There it is. All right, here we go. This first class. All right.
Our free wireless entertainment on your personal device, but please keep it securely held in your hand. Flight attendants arm doors and cross-check standby for on call.
Seat pocket. You may need.
Your safety is important to us. Please pause for a moment to give your attention to the flight attendants in the aisle.
Welcome to your American Airlines flight, on its way to one of our many destinations across the globe. Made possible by our dedicated team members who all do it for one reason: you. That's why your safety and well-being are so important to us. Let's go through some in-flight instructions so we can get you safely on your way. First, make sure your seat is upright. All larger electronic devices are put away, and your tray table is stowed. Seat back device holders must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you have a carry-on, place it all the way under the seat in front of you. Larger carry-on luggage goes in the overhead bin. If you have small handheld devices, such as cell phones, tablets, and smartwatches, please switch them to airplane mode now. If your electronic device falls into your seat, please do not adjust your seat and contact a crew member for assistance. If you are seated at an overwing exit, your window shade must remain open for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated in case of unexpected turbulence. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs and crew member instructions. All flights are non-smoking, including e-cigarettes, vape devices, and smokeless tobacco. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. Doing so may result in a fine. For safety reasons, e-cigarettes and vape devices, hold the straps to tighten and breathe normally. You should always put on your mask before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Life vests are located under, next to, or between your seat. For help locating them or for you on your journey. If you have any questions, please refer to your safety card or ask any of the crew members as they do their final cabin check. And as always, let us know if there's anything we can do to make your time.
Prepare for takeoff.
Lights are on. Boeing 747, 400 right there.
And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items.
It's a
Take a
freighter.
moment to check your seat back pocket
Cargo
for any
plane.
personal items.
Can't
like
tell what
tablets and
airline
cell
it is.
phones.
It's just a white livery.
When you open the overhead
Completely
compartment,
blank.
be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Look at that, they're building Terminal F. It wasn't like that though when I left.
4:05
Wow.
p.m. As a reminder, please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until we reach the
Built
gate.
it fast.
Keep the aisles clear of all items and don't forget to check your surrounding area to ensure you have all belongings
Few
like
good
cell
planes
phones,
there.
tablets, and chargers. Once you leave the aircraft, if Dallas is your final destination, you can claim your bags at castle number 5. E5, but make sure to check the monitor again as you get to the baggage claim area. We know you have lots of choice when choosing airlines, so whether you're staying in Dallas or just passing through, thanks for choosing American Airlines.
Welcome to Dallas Fort Worth. We're stopped about 50 yards toward the gate. Gate is open. We're just waiting on the ramp crew to come out and guide us in. In the meantime, we're going to keep that seatbelt sign turned on. I do ask you to remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened. We are stopped at the gate. We're making some calls now. They should be out here momentarily.
Interesting. Ground crew's not there. Got us in yet.
As mentioned, he does have the fasten seatbelt sign illuminated. So being said, please remain in your seats with those seatbelts fastened.
There's a little private jet right there. Alright. Here we go.
Flight attendants, verifying distant doors, stand by for all call.
That was a very short flight. Look at that. I don't know what that's for.
Carousel E5.
Okay.
Baggage claim E5.
Oh wow, I love this. A lot of windows. We're at B something. I'm a little surprised we came to Terminal B. Terminal B is usually for American Eagle flights. This is gate B9. All right, now we're outside security. All right, so E5 is right there. So I am at the United Airlines baggage claim, and all these suitcases are here due to the United Airlines outage yesterday. All these people's suitcases are on different flights trying to reclaim their baggage, because I'm sure a lot of people's flights were canceled due to it. And there's also more suitcases over there. Also more over there. But, yep, I got both of my suitcases successfully from that piece of baggage and in the office. Alright guys, I am back from Colorado. That was a crazy trip journey. The United Airlines outage making my flight be canceled, and then having to rebook a new flight with a stop in Oklahoma City. It was just wild. Alright, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.